people? I'm back, Eggnog Fan 123 here, and this is the fourth method on how to pour and how to make the perfect eggnog glass. So this one's a little bit different, so let's just get straight into it. So first we need an Oreo. Look at that, one right here. And what we do is we put this at the bottom of the glass. And then we need another Oreo. Then what we do with this one is we put it in the glass. And then we need more Oreos. Oh, I've already done it wrong. They all have to be flat, because that fits more Oreos. Don't worry if your leg goes numb after drinking this. That's the weather, not diabetes. So once we got it pretty much to the top, then we get our eggnog. And we pour it in, of course. Oh. Okay. It may drip a little bit, but like last time, there's a couple things you can do about that. Get a dog to lick it up, or wipe it up with your cat. Both are good solutions to this problem. But look, it's perfect, almost. We need a little bit more. Okay, so now it's at the brim. Again, get your cat. So this was method 4 of how to make a perfect glass of eggnog. Have a time.